He went out that way. Looks like he's trying to climb up. What's he doing?
Just moving around in the car.
Just don't forget, we got backdrop bad. What's that? Backdrop is real bad. It's 95 over there. Suspect, roll the window down and put your hands outside the window. Do it now. Two.
There's 2 people.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna move up. Ready? Move up.
Yep.
Move up.
Get that flag like out west.
Police are called to a hit and run after a vehicle blows through an intersection and strikes multiple vehicles in the process after fleeing through a ditch and trying to escape to the woods. Officers now quickly swarm the area.
What's up, brother?
What up, man?
How's it going? Which way did he go?
So his tire sign goes right in through there. They came in, did a little loop, and kind of slowed down and hauled us in there. You kind of see their tire signs going in here.
They're not going to make it through that.
No, they ain't making it out.
They're coming from this way. All of a sudden, that SUV see all the rocks in the road?
There was no stopping.
There was no stop.
So he ran over the rock?
He came straight up over it. That's what he was out of control when it went over.
Yeah.
Okay. So he was going south.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she was sitting in there right where the van is.
Smacked right into her.
We had a red light, so I wasn't going. I was stopped. And then he backed up,
And he took off.
There's
right
a
there.
sidewalk here.
And then that game over. And then the game over.
Launch firefly.
He went airborne and then whacked.
Did anybody get a tag number? Do you know how many people were in the
I
car?
was trying to.
There was 2 in the car.
I couldn't. It was just,
Males, females?
One
there was
male
one lady and one
definitely
male.
driving.
Lady was
Male
in the passenger seat.
Out with the other.
Victim of the crash. They're saying that there's going to be 2 people in the vehicle. Male's going to be the driver. They're unsure of the occupant. All we're going to have is crash, hit, and run. No entry for charges. 216 fire plate.
Calling to their national car.
To the northwest southbound, I believe.
That's the only exit, right? Yeah. We got somebody up front that's going to be up there with sticks if they come out. What was it? What kind of car was it?
It's like a Mitsubishi, Outback sedan or something like that. Maybe all-wheel drive. I don't know.
It went back in here somewhere?
Yeah, it went in right here.
You got a vehicle description?
Light blue. What's the little 3 triangles?
Mitsubishi?
Mitsubishi.
4-door, 2-door?
It was one of the, like a compact 4-door maybe. Like a little.
Firefly, can you make a wide pass? I'm going to start announcements. This is the Flagler County Sheriff's Office K-9 unit. Announce yourself and surrender now, or I'm going to release the dog and you will get bit. Final warning. This is the Flagler County Sheriff's Office K-9 unit. Announce yourself and surrender now, or I'm going to release the dog and you will get bit. Did it go in over here? Went in somewhere over here, but they said it's right in here. Oh, this way, yep. Good boy. Hey, they're in the car, Hey, stop! Stop now! Hey, Flag County Sheriff's Office! Hey, watch the car coming out. Car's coming out. Suspect, get out of the car! Do it now! Get out of the car! He's going towards 95. Watch out, watch out! Stay behind cover, stay behind cover. Hey, keep lethal, keep lethal. Watch. They're stuck. We don't have a shield or nothing, huh? Sheriff's Office K-9, come out and surrender, you're gonna get bit! Firefly, go way up, please. I'm trying to get verbals. Sheriff's Office K-9, come out, you're gonna get bit! Good boy, watch him. You guys want to move up on it? No?
We don't know what we got.
We gotta do it with the shield? Can we get a shield in here, anybody? We run in, directly to the west. We'll see the tracks and we're over here.
It's going out the passenger. It's going out the passenger side.
Do you need anything to breach a window or anything like that?
Yeah, if you can, shatter balls. I think he's stuck against the tree and the barbed wire fence. We need at least one unit on 95 in case he can run out that way.
Looks like he's trying to climb up.
What's he doing?
Just moving around in the car.
Just don't forget, we got backdrop bad. Backdrop is really bad. It's 95 over there.
Suspect, roll the window down and put your hands outside the window. Do it now.
Down around.
Hey, can somebody move over here and see what he's doing?
Still moving around.
He's doing a lot of moving.
You roll the window up and down. Keep them up, both hands. Both hands. Both hands. Do it now.
You got a shield?
Right hand to the right.
You got a shield? Alright, you ready? Commander's got shatter balls. We're going to move up on those.
Show both of you. Show us your hands, man. Both of
Can't get them
them.
out. I think it's stuck.
It's going up and down. I'm not sure if there's an issue or not, but
Hey, we got a passenger coming out the passenger side. Passenger! Let me see your hands!
Make sure your hands are empty. Roll the window all the way down.
the passenger might have bailed out. We don't know, right?
Yeah.
How do you guys feel about pushing up the door?
That's fine. I think I hear two.
There's two people.
Yep.
Hey, we're gonna move up. Ready?
Move up.
Yep.
Move up.
Keep that flag like out west.
Watch out. Good boy.
They're way stuck.
You want me to see if I can move up with the shield and open up the back hatch? Just give me cover. I'm gonna open up the back hatch.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Probably locked though.
Hey, unlock the doors!
Can anybody see the passenger's hands?
No.
Tell them to put them on the roof of the car inside. Driver, unlock the door!
Open up your door!
You gonna push up and I'll clear out the window?
Yep.
Caps, you got lethal cover?
Yep, I got lethal. Keep your hands right there where we can see them. All right, she's got her. I see her hands too.
Get your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Keep your hands right there. Do not move.
Hey, is anybody injured?
Hey, why can't you get out of the car, man? Okay, we should have drove in the woods, but you can get out of the car, so you get out of the car now. You're not getting out? That's a bad decision. I don't care. Get out of the car now. I can see his hands will shift over there. I'm gonna yank him out.
Keep those hands right where we can see them. Keep those hands right where we can see them. Put them all the way on the roof. Touch the roof of the car.
Pull the door.
Unlock it. Unlock the door.
How about, man?
Let's go. Climb out right now, or we're gonna pull you out.
You do not give orders here. Do not freaking move.
You're gonna get talked to. I want to get out of the car. I want to get out of the car.
Dude, you stay right there. Do not move. Stay right there. What are you doing?
I'm not. Cover the car? You should have known better. Dangerous. You got any weapons?
We have not checked the vehicle yet.
Cover my junk. Please leave that there. I got nothing on me.
Get her up.
Come on, we'll stand you up. Ready?
Do not move me.
Come on, stand up. Come on. Can you walk?
No. I have a severe UTI. I was in the emergency room 2 days ago. There's a medical ban for Halifax emergency room on my arm.
Okay.
On my right arm.
Well, we'll get some medical attention once we get out of the woods and you get checked out.
I don't think there's anybody else up.
Well, I don't want it to hurt you or poke you in the eye or anything like that, so.
Alright.
If we have those already good instead of page for to secure.
All right. You want to take her to your car? Or whose car is that over there?
Or the vehicle in the woods.
Is that your Taurus? Yeah. Will you pull it over here so we can put her in it for now? Besides that cut on your foot, you got any other injuries?
I think that's it.
Yeah, you got scrapes all over your hand, knees, and stuff like that.
I'll be fine.
Oh, well.
If you can look that up.
Yeah, we're gonna take it off you before you get in the car.
Obviously. You're gonna have to pull it down from around my ass.
We're gonna probably just wind up cutting it off.
Don't cut that. Pull it down. I'll literally jump up and get it off.
Yeah, you got it.
What is this?
It's my lanyard.
What's in there? Is there a
You
clip
can-
on it?
You can take it out from above my neck.
Is she complaining of any injuries?
No, a couple scrapes on her legs, but she's not complaining of anything else.
You guys were
We were sitting over there.
sitting at that light
Through, yeah.
to go straight.
Yep. And
She was sitting in the left lane.
Yep.
Car coming southbound. Hit the rocks.
Dude, he was hauling.
Was she going?
No, she hadn't moved yet. He was hauling ass so fast down that thing. I told my wife, I kept going, there's no way he was stopping.
Yeah.
He hit that curve thing with them rocks, man. He was airborne, and you're
How
out.
did she get hit though if she wasn't in the intersection?
His car shot into her. When he hit the ground, he was out of control. He just shot right into her. Yep.
Hey, Deputy Carter with the Sheriff's Office. Can you give me your name real quick?
Victoria.
Victoria? How you feeling?
A little upside down. What about you?
I'm right side up.
Are you?
I think so.
Let me get there.
Alrighty. Oh, perfect. Alright. What's your middle name? Okay, and you know that gentleman that was driving the car?
A little, yeah.
What's his name?
As far as I know, Steve.
Steve? You know his last name?
I think it starts with like an S or a P or something.
Okay. Alright, and no medical complaints, you're not hurt or anything like that? You guys were involved in a crash back there?
I'm fine.
You're fine? Nothing hurts?
Not right now.
Okay. Alright. Give me just a few minutes, okay?
I would say, y'all got like fingers because I'm kind of cut out. That's like blood, sweat dripping down that seat right there.
Hey, what's up, boss? What's your date of birth? What's your first name?
Steven with a PH.
Okay, middle name? Okay, do you need an ambulance or anything to come check you out?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, you said you were cut up and bleeding?
Just like look at my leg right there. Just little scratches.
Oh,
no
scratches.
Anything like
No, nothing major. My left butt cheek kind of hurts. You see anything there?
you got a couple scratches?
You got a
That's
couple
fine. I
scratches.
don't
little
even
abrasions and stuff like that, but nothing that's like you're leaking out or anything like that.
I'm dead ass. Like she was like I was sleeping in the passenger. We're traveling, and I guess her meds. She said she had taken them before and never had anything, but I guess she got drowsy on them. We've been driving for hours, so she crashed, and I woke up obviously, and she's like, "I'm pulling off over here." I'm like, "What are you doing? We gotta stop." And she just kept driving.
Are y'all dating or something?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We're gonna read you something here in a little bit. We'll ask you some questions. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? I need an actual like verbal yes or no. What?
Sí, así, así.
She said, I understand.
Spanish, así, sí.
I'm not going to talk English. You
habla
don't
inglés?
speak English? No,
Yo hablo español. Sí, I said sí.
Victoria, just speak English. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right. How did we end up here? What's going on?
I don't know.
You have no idea how you're in handcuffs in the back of the car.
Honestly, no.
Okay. What narcotics did you take today?
I'm not on any narcotics.
This is your normal state?
No, I haven't been enough for the past 2 days.
Okay.
Because I can't keep it sorted.
So how much marijuana did you smoke?
Today? I don't
Yeah.
believe he smoked any today.
He already told us he did.
Did he? I don't remember. He might have smoked it. I didn't pack it for him. So if he packed it, it was himself.
Where do you live?
I don't live anywhere. I'm home.
You're homeless? When you got in the car today, where did you get in the car at?
In the airport? Yeah.
Did you fly somewhere today? You just went and rented the car today? Where were you guys going?
We just needed a car to get around and do errands. To pick up my prescription. We were going to get groceries, go back to the house, clean up.
Where's the house?
The condo. You guys already talked about it already.
I just got here, so I have no idea where the condo
Well, they
is.
know where the condo is.
I've been here the whole time, and I don't
I heard it on
recall anything about. No, we don't have any information about a condo.
Alright then. I guess I should shut my mouth.
So there's no condo.
There could or there couldn't.
Oh, now there could be. So you were in the passenger seat, and when you hit the rocks and went airborne.
I don't believe we ever went airborne, no.
I was told you went airborne and then you hit another car.
Oh, yeah, my head was in the floor, though.
Your head was in the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wasn't sitting down.
Okay. You already left? Yeah.
You want to swing your feet out here for us real quick? We're going to get you out of this car, okay?
Did anybody search her?
No.
Come on. Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't.
You have no narcotics on you?
No, there's no medication on me.
Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to empty out your pockets. I'm going to use the back of my hand to pat everything else down, okay?
Alright.
Can we get this out of your hair?
If you'd like to, it's just tied.
How's it tied? They're not going to let you have that in the jail, obviously.
You can just cut it off.
Pretty good. Okay. Is there any others, or is that one out?
That's just it.
All right.
Any pockets in your shirt?
No, sir, there's not.
Have a seat. Sit back.
Nothing looked fresh. No new bags or anything like that.
Crazy. Just the $80 one I got was.
Yeah. Oh.
How scarce parts are now?
It was in the shoe. There was shake everywhere. There was a hat with a little bit of, like, maybe 3 grams in it, but that was it. That's all I found so far. I hope so. They got a bunch of shoes and clothes.
They want to rob us for you somewhere or something?
I don't know. A bunch of it's brand new on hangers.
They're into some cosplay or something. Oh. Yeah.
Couple expensive pair of shoes, that's it.
Just put on the bear suit. You guys will find the license plate.
Yeah.
He's gonna wear that for a picture.
Put on. You guys were chasing that, so he had bear suit on.
Help me get that on.
I need some shit.
You guys want to pose at the bear?
That thing's gonna fly over and buy the bear now. Look at this guy.
Come pose with your bear. Come on.
About a year. There you go, Jesse.
Pose with the bear. Put it in a headlock.
I figured it out.